I see fun and fame in your future. Hello everyone, I am Bertram and I have copyrighted the TV format for an online Jamaican vacation game show. In this game show, contestants from the comfort of their homes take a virtual tour, then the online audience votes for a wild card before 3 contestants qualify to compete online in digital quizzes. Here, the fastest correct answers earn maximum points, and the contestant with the most points wins a vacation prize. This vacation prize they redeem on a trip to Jamaica. The quizzes are all designed to help contestants and viewers prepare for maximum enjoyment on their trip to Jamaica. I am confident this will work because the target audience is the annual visitors to Jamaica, and we expect over 4 million visitors every year. A conversion of between 3% and 15% means an audience size of between 120,000 and 600,000 viewers each month. Jamaica has a well-developed tourism industry with several corporate and medium-sized businesses that can afford to sponsor the show, as this audience is their target market. Jamaica is home to several world-class video production companies, and with sunny skies most of the time and the most beautiful locations, we have the perfect situation to capitalize on this proven TV format.